Welcome to Smart Start TV. Hi, Smarties. Let's learn the ABCs with tasty and colorful fruits. Ready? Let's go. This is letter A. A is for apple. Apple. A is for apricot. Apricot. This is letter B. B is for banana. Banana. B is for blueberry. Blueberry. This is letter C. C is for cherry. Cherry. C is for cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. This is letter D. D is for dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. D is for dates. Dates. This is letter E. E is for elderberry. Elderberry. E is for egg fruit. Egg fruit. This is letter F. F is for fig. Fig. F is for finger lime. Finger lime. This is letter G. G is for grapes. Grapes. G is for guava. Guava. This is letter H. H is for honeydew. Honeydew. H is for horned melon. Horned melon. This is letter I. I is for Indian fig. Indian fig. I is for Alama fruit. Alama fruit. This is letter J. J is for jackfruit. Jackfruit. J is for jujube. Jujube. This is letter K. K is for kiwi. Kiwi. K is for kumquat. Kumquat. This is letter L. L is for lemon. Lemon. L is for lychee. Lychee. This is letter M. M is for mango. Mango. M is for mulberry. Mulberry. This is letter N. N is for nectarine. Nectarine. N is for narangila. Narangila. This is letter O. O is for orange. Orange. O is for olives. Olives. This is letter P. P is for papaya. Papaya. P is for pineapple. Pineapple. This is letter Q. Q is for quince. Quince. Q is for quinipa. Quinipa. This is letter R. R is for raspberry. Raspberry. R is for rambutan. Rambutan. This is letter S. S is for strawberry. Strawberry. S is for starfruit. Starfruit. This is letter T. T is for tamarind. Tamarind. T is for tangerine. Tangerine. This is letter U. U is for ugly fruit. Ugly fruit. U is for uvalino grape. Uvalino grape. This is letter V. V is for Valencia orange. Valencia orange. V is for velvet apple. Velvet apple. This is letter W. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. The W is for wax apple. Wax apple. This is letter X. X is for xigua, a yellow watermelon. Xigua. X is for choconostle, a sour, prickly pear cactus fruit. Choconostle. This is letter Y. Y is for yellow passion fruit. Yellow passion fruit. Y is for yumberry. Yumberry. This is letter Z. Z is for zucchini. Zucchini. Z is for zilmango. Zilmango. Thanks for watching Smart Start TV.